Everyone said you cannot get a 2-day battery, a 144Hz display, and military-grade durability under 15,000 rupees. Realme just made everyone look stupid, like share and subscribe. This phone carries a 7,000 mAh battery. Most flagship phones in 2025 ship with 4,500 mAh, and budget phones usually give you 5V. Realme just dropped 7,000 into a device that costs less than a decent pair of shoes. 2 full days of battery life in the real world without babysitting your charger or panicking at 20%. But here is where it gets interesting. This is not just a battery brick pretending to be a smartphone. The display runs at 144 Hz on a 6.8-inch screen. That means scrolling feels like butter, gaming feels responsive, and everything just looks alive. Most phones at this price are stuck at D-Hertz, but Realme skipped right past that. Peak brightness hits 900 nits, so outdoor visibility is solid even in harsh Indian afternoon sunlight. The chip inside is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, handling 5G, multitasking, casual gaming, and daily apps without choking. You get up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, plus a microSD slot that accepts up to 2 TB. That slot alone makes this phone better than phones costing 3 times more. The software is Android 16, fresh on a 13,000 rupee phone for better security, smoother performance, and newer features. Durability is solid with an IP64 rating and MIL-STD 810H certification for drops, temperature extremes, and vibration. You also get a 3.5mm headphone jack, a side fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.3, dual-band Wi-Fi, and dual SIM 5G. The camera is a single 13-megapixel shooter at the back and 5-megapixel up front, honest and capable for everyday use. Pricing starts at 13,499 rupees for 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. 14,499 rupees gets you 4GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 17,499 rupees is the 6GB RAM with 128GB storage top model, available in blooming purple and sprouting green. A phone with military durability, the latest Android, a 144Hz display, and a battery that laughs at your charging anxiety, all under 15,000 rupees. The real question is not whether this phone is good enough, but whether every other brand is now embarrassed. Drop your answer in the comments because I genuinely want to know what you think.